Hi, I'm Debbie Bernacki, founder and CEO of Happier at Home. One of the questions that I sometimes hear, being a non medical home care company, is as a franchisee, will I be able to do hands on care? This is actually dependent upon the state that you're in. So, here in New York State, we complete just companion care. That works for us. We know that's a great business model, and we are able to keep our profit margins large in that way. But in other states like Florida and Texas, there's just an additional licensure that you're able to get that we know you can keep your profit margins large as well and still be able to provide some personal care services. We help you through that process, and allows you to be more marketable and not have to turn patients away.